There's actually a couple of reasons to buy the official Rubik's Cube, and let me show you why. First off, the colors are amazing. Obviously, there are some other off brand Rubik's Cubes that you can buy, but I think the Rubik's themselves actually created, let me zoom in, quite a nice cube in terms of what they did. Instead of putting stickers on each side, is they actually have like it's plastic. So you don't not only have to worry about the stickers peeling off, but it will stay looking good for the time that you own this thing. Second off, they actually did a decent job making this thing super reliable. You do not have to worry about this thing breaking if you drop it. The cube itself is very well made. I could dock off a couple points for it not being super smooth, which, a lot of people who are into Rubik's Cubes like having the speed. But this Rubik's Cube is not meant for speed. This Rubik's Cube is meant for longevity, and it's meant to act as a way to get into the cubing world. I think they did an amazing job, and I think if you're looking for a cube to give to somebody as their first cube, or you're looking for just a fun puzzle to try, I totally recommend the Rubik's Cube. They really got it going.